In this video, I will show you step by step how I made $95,270 in commission just by promoting affiliate links using free traffic without investing any money, using free traffic from Twitter. I will show you step by step, guys, which method I'm using. I will share with you which affiliate links I'm promoting on Twitter, and also I'm gonna share with you how you can find people who will be interested to buy those services or products from your affiliate links so you can earn commission and so much more. So make sure to watch this video until the end because this will be free affiliate marketing course for you step by step so you can start making some money like this. And as you can see, as you can see over here in my balance, it's showing $95,270. That's a lot of money, and of course it's a lot of hard work and consistency. Okay, so what you will do first, let's start. So for people who want to join Fiverr affiliate and make some money like this, what you will do, you will go to Google and you need to search for, first let's search for Fiverr like this. Just follow those steps. Go to Google, search for Fiverr, click on the first link over here, and you need to sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page, and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. Okay, so what you need to do, you just need to come to this page and you need to scroll down like this. Just scroll down, go to community, and click over here on affiliate. It's gonna take you to this Fiverr affiliate website. As you can see over here, what you need to do next is you just need to click over here on join now. Okay, but before we do that, let's scroll down to show you how much you will earn, because they are really paying a lot of money for those affiliate services. If we click over here on see commission, you can scroll down, you can see over here commission plan Fiverr CPA. As you can see, you can earn up to $150. That's a lot of money. If just one person buy a service from your affiliate link, you can earn up to $150. Okay, so that's really a lot. This is the best affiliate marketing business for me, and because it's profitable and they are really paying a lot of money for those affiliate services. So let's go back to this Fiverr affiliate website like this. Click over here on join now, and it's gonna take you to this Fiverr affiliate to this sign up process page. As you can see, what you need to do next, you need to put your name, your last name, your email address, username, your password, and account type. Make it private. Scroll down, you will answer a few questions over here. As you can see, do you have a main source of traffic? You can say yes or no, and you will need to choose your country, then choose your language, and if you have Skype, you can put your Skype here. If you don't have, that's fine, just click on next, answer next few questions, and that's it. After you finish, it's easy. As you can see, it will take just few minutes from your time, and after you finish, this will be your Fiverr affiliate account, and you should have an account like this one. Okay, so what you need to do next is you need to go back to your home page on Fiverr. Okay, so now I'm gonna share with you guys which service I was promoting on Twitter to get a lot of money. Okay, so what you will do, you will click on the search and you will search for thumbnail. Okay, search for thumbnail like this. I want you to pay attention in this step because I'm gonna, okay, just search for thumbnail and I want you to pay attention like I said. So always make sure to choose good sellers. Choose like level 1 seller, level 2 seller, top rated seller, sellers who has a lot of reviews. So if people click on your affiliate link and they find those sellers are good sellers, they will buy this service from your affiliate link and you will earn commission. So for example, I'm going to choose this one. As you can see, this one, level 2 seller. He has a lot of reviews. He has almost 5 star. and this service is just for $10. I will click on his service. Just click on his service and you will be directly in his Fiverr profile page. He has 10 orders in queue, as you can see. What you need to do is you need to copy his profile link. So just copy his profile link and go back to your Fiverr affiliate account. Click on marketing tools, click on default and deep links. It will take you to this page. I already have this page ready. Click over here. So let me delete this, and you need to put this seller profile link here. Okay, then click over here, just click over here, and here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. What you need to do next is you need to promote this affiliate link on Twitter. So let's go to Twitter. It's easy and simple. So if you don't have an account on Twitter, for beginners who don't have, just go to Google, search for Twitter like this. Click on the first link over here, just sign up by using your email address, and that's it. It's easy and it's for free, of course. So it will take just a few minutes from your time. After you finish, this will be your home page. Click over here on search and search for I need thumbnail. Okay, just search for I need thumbnail. Scroll down and here you go. You will find a lot of people here searching for thumbnail designer. I need a graphic designer for thumbnail. This person he's just posted this post today, as you can see, and he is looking for graphic designer for thumbnail. So what you will do, you will click over here on reply, okay, and you will send a reply to this person with your affiliate link. So what you will do first, you will go back to this seller profile page, you will copy his title. You are just an affiliate marketer with Fiverr, you can use his title. You can also edit this title if you want, you can make your own. So for me, I'm just showing you an example. That's what I do for my affiliate links. Put your title here, go back to your Fiverr affiliate account, copy your affiliate link, go back to Twitter, put this affiliate link here like this, click on reply, and your reply will be sent to this person. It will be sent like this. We are replying to this person, and as you can see, this is my affiliate link and this is my title. I will create a YouTube thumbnail with amazing quality in 2 hours. Okay, if this person is still looking for thumbnail designer, he will click on this affiliate link, for example like this. He will be directly in this Fiverr profile seller page, as you can see. Okay, and this person is providing a good service. He has a lot of reviews, he is making good thumbnails, as you can see. Those are really good thumbnails, and this person is, like I said, if he is still looking for graphic designer for his thumbnail, he will click on continue. He will buy this service for $10 and they will earn commission for free. You don't need to invest any money, okay? You just need to promote affiliate links here on Twitter. If you have a new account, promote just 3 to 5 affiliate links per day, okay? And if you scroll down, you can find a lot of people searching for thumbnail, for someone to make thumbnail for those people, okay? I need someone able to do thumbnail for me. ASAP, please, anyone. As you can see, this one looking for thumbnail. Here is another person. I need new thumbnail. I will click on a reply and I will send a reply to this person, okay, with my affiliate link. So this is my method, guys. And every day, if you come to Twitter and you search for I need thumbnail, you will find a lot of new people searching for thumbnail designer. You will send your affiliate links to those people, and if a lot of people will be clicking on your affiliate links, and they will buy this service from your affiliate link, and you will earn commission. This is my method, guys. That's how I make money with Fiverr affiliate. and I share with you everything in this video, easy and simple. I hope this video is helpful for you. I try to make it super easy for anyone who will start with affiliate marketing business. And thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, leave a comment, and if you have any questions, just leave it in the comments. And if you want me to share more services with you about which profitable services you should promote on Twitter, let me know in the comments and I will do that, and I will share with you a lot of videos with profitable services. Okay, see you in my next video.